Okay, so we stripped everything down, ready to start work. Removed the fuel tank, which is very simple to do. It's just one bolt goes in the back there, the back of the tank, and then at the front of the tank there are two lugs that go over these rubber bungs, and it just slides off. Oh, after of course we've undone the petrol pipes. Comes off easy. Then we've removed the side panel on this side cover. That just means that then we can open the seat fully. Just helps getting the tank off. Then we've taken off the oil cooler, and we've taken off the carbs. In my case, removing the carbs is easy because I've got the open bell mouths, and so there's no air filter. The air filter on the T160 is very tight with the carbs. It's very awkward to get in and out, but with mine, luckily, that's not a problem. So we've got the carbs out, we've got the oil cooler off. We've taken the oil pipes off the oil feed to the rockers, disconnected obviously the throttle, which is the only thing we need to disconnect on the carbs because the choke is part of the carb gantry. So now I've just raised the height of the bike slightly, and I've got rid of all the cables and that out of the way as best I can, HT leads and oil pipes and so on. And so we're going to start removing this rocker box now. So we're going to take off the tappet cover first, and then we're going to remove the bolts that hold the cover on. There are these four bolts are actually cylinder head bolts. They go straight through the rocker, straight through the head and into the barrels, so they hold the head on. These two on the outside, these two small 7/16, they only go into the head. They're not cylinder head bolts. So these on the outside, these four on the outside will stay there, and this rocker box will stay on. So I'm hoping that everything will be okay. The head will be okay with removing the front box, but leaving the rear box on with these bolts still in place. I know people have done it before. They say it's okay. I'm a bit hesitant to do it, I have to say, but I'm also very lazy. So it saves me taking all the exhaust off and all the head and everything. So I'll give it a go. If something cracks, I'll never forgive myself. But there we go. Right, let's start work on that then.